I'm giving 1 point po, Kuya, for Shane. Kasi po, I know na there's a high chance na masasama siya sa Big 3, Kuya. And for 2 points naman po, ibibigay ko po kay Kylie. Kasi po, yung attitude niya po kagahapon, like, parang nag-ano-ano lang, tas ang bilis niya mainis, Kuya.
Hi Kuya, this is Yan Yan, and I will give 2 points for Kai because it's just a little problem. She already left the group, and 1 point for Roldan because she's too cold to Daryl, and I don't get why the feeling is that, yeah.
2 points po kay Daryl kasi po every time na naglalag ako sa bahay or sa game, tinatawag niya po akong FB10 na hindi ko po masyado nagugustuhan kasi parang napapadalas na po yung pagtawag niya sa akin ng ganon. And 1 point for Roldan kasi hindi po siya nakikipag-communicate or bumabati sa housemates ng good morning, ganyan, or kahit react man lang po.
I'll give 1 point for Kylie because a while ago po she was misunderstanding yung mga sinasabi ni Roldan and parang big deal niya po, but don't get offended. And 2 points for Roldan po kasi po pag nag-chat off po kayo, Kuya, he was still messaging and chatting and parang di pa po siya nagbabag, like onte, okay.
1 point po kay Shane dahil I know she's a threat po, and 2 points po kay Kylie because dahil po dun sa away.